someone's considering, they've been thinking about, oh, I'd love to redo my kitchen. Where do they start if you're thinking about a kitchen renovation?
Pictures online, Pinterest, visiting our website, because looking at photos of kitchens inspires, it helps you organize your thoughts as far as what you want the end result to look like. I would say that's the best way, is get online and start looking at it, or get magazines maybe, and just start looking at pictures of kitchens and dog-earing, circling, organizing what you like about this one, what you like about that one, and try to pull it in, all of the things into your kitchen.